Dito na naman ako at mag-share sa inyo ng great news lalo na po sa mga interesado at gusto pong tumira sa Ontario. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. At kung bago po kayo dito, hi! My name is Jane. Kamusta po kayo? Thank you for stopping by. In today's video guys, andito na naman ako at mag-share sa inyo ng great news lalo na po sa mga interesado at gusto pong tumira sa Ontario. Recently po kasi ang government ng Ontario, nag-announce po sila or naglabas po sila ng brand new pathway pilot program na ang tawag po ay READY o yung Rural Economic Development Through Immigration Pilot Program. At sa video na to guys, i-share ko po sa inyo yung details na lahat ng kailangan nyo pong malaman about this pilot program na to. At bago ko po ulit yung simulan, gusto ko po muna ulit magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng mga nagtiwala at nag-subscribe po sa aking channel. At kung di pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe guys at interesado kayo about dito sa Canada, buhay Canada at mga updates na rin, job updates, please consider subscribing in my channel at hit nyo na rin po notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga next video. At umpisa na natin guys, ano nga po ba itong READY o itong Regional Economic Development Immigration Through Immigration Pilot Program. So umpisa na po natin guys about dito sa pilot na to. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program has announced the opening of a new Regional Economic Immigration Pilot or READY. Actually, nag-start na po siya at mag-run po siya hanggang December 31, 2025. Ang goal po nila guys ay makapag-attract po sila ng 800 highly skilled immigrants para po sa 4 po na rural and northern regions sa Ontario. Ito po yung sa Lanark, Leeds and Greenville, Sarnia, Lambton at saka yung sa Thunder Bay. Lahat po ng mga newcomers na maaprubahan through sa new pilot program na to, makaka-receive po sila ng provincial nomination from the OINP na pwede po nilang gamitin directly sa IRCC kapag mag-a-apply po sila ng permanent residence. How will this new program function? The READY Pilot Program, ipaprocess po nila ang application through the OINP's Employer Job Offer Streams. Each participating region po, mag-allocate po sila ng 200 additional nominations kung saan pwede po nila itong i-issue through the OINP's 3 job offer streams. Ayun po yung foreign worker stream, international student stream, at saka po yung in-demand skill streams. Itong READY Pilot Program, ini-aim po nila na ma-address po nila yung labor shortages in areas of the workforce that are in demand. Tama po dun yung sa healthcare, technology, yung skilled trades, pati na rin po yung construction. At ano nga po ba yung eligibility for the READY Pilot Program? The READY Program works through the 3 OINP Employer Job Offer Streams. Yung una po yung Foreign Worker Streams, International Student Streams, at po yung in-demand skill streams. Each streams guys has specific requirements, pero po ito yung mga common eligibility criteria nila. Yung una po, kailangan meron kayong full-time or permanent job offer from an employer na kasama po sa yung 4 po na designated regions na kasama sa program na to. Tapos yung pangalawa po, yung job offers in occupation, kailangan po naka-classified siya under ng Tier 0, 1, 2, or 3 of the NOC code system or yung National Occupation Classification. I-double check nyo po yun guys. Tapos din po, meeting wage thresholds based on Ontario's labor market standards. So, i-check nyo po yun sa job banks. And then yung intent nyo po na mag-reside or tumira sa Ontario. At yung last po, any required licensing or authorization for regulated professions. Yung additional requirements by stream, yung foreign worker stream, at least meron kayong 2 years of relevant work experience or appropriate licensing for the job. Yung pangalawa naman po sa international student stream, kailangan po meron kayong post-secondary record credential from a Canadian institution completed within the last 2 years. At yung in-demand skill streams, kailangan po meron kayong minimum high school education and then 9 months of relevant work experience and a Canadian language benchmark, yung CLB po. Kailangan at least meron kayong score na 4 or higher. And then, how to apply for the READY program. Yung una guys, kailangan meron kayo valid na job offer from an employer in one of the designated region. Tapos guys, kung wala pa po kayong job offer, pwede po kayong mag-search sa Job Bank Canada. Ilagay nyo lang po yung location at yung occupation na gusto nyo pong applyan, or kaya i-check nyo po mismo yung website nila. At yung pangalawa naman po, verify the eligibility. Check nyo po kung na-meet nyo po lahat ng requirements for the appropriate OINP employer job offer streams. Kailangan nyo rin po na merong yung job offer nyo rito ay nag-a-align sa wage and licensing standards. And then yung next po, submit an application to the OINP o yung Ontario Immigration Nominee Programs. Once na meron na po kayong qualifying job offer, pwede na po kayo mag-apply through OINP portal. Ensure nyo lang po na lahat po ng required documents, including po yung proof of education nyo, work experience, and licensing. Kung meron na po, kailangan po naka-ready na siya. And yung pang-apat po, kung na-nominate na po kayo sa READY program, pwede na po kayo mag-apply ng permanent residence. Makaka-receive po kayo ng provincial nomination certificate na pwede nyo pong gamitin sa pag-a-apply nyo ng PR through IRCC. And guys, yung about sa Regional Economic Development through Immigration Pilot Program or READY, advice ko sa inyo, start nyo na pong explore yung industries nila and yung kanilang mga job openings ng 4 na designated region. Check nyo guys yung mismong Ontario Job Bank or kaya sa mismong Job Bank or kaya mismong website nila para ma-identify nyo po yung mga in-demand roles. At syempre, yung pangalawa po na advice ko sa inyo, i-prepare nyo na po yung application nyo, update nyo po yung resume nyo to Canadian standards, tapos po yung mga i-gather nyo na rin po yung necessary documentation nyo like yung proof of education, work experience, saka yung language proficiency nyo. At yung patlo guys, if your profession is regulated, ibigin nyo na pong i-process yung obtain yung required licenses at saka certifications. So yun guys, that's it for today's video. Sana nagustuhan nyo, na-appreciate nyo, nakatulong tong video ko sa inyo ngayon. And if you do guys, please hit the like button. Kung meron po kayong questions, feedbacks, or gusto pong itakal sa aking mga next video, please feel free to comment. I want to connect with you in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel at hit nyo po notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa aking mga next video. Thank you again guys for watching. See you on my next one. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. Bye!